Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate images using the ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI that will help you to with your task or with everything basically. So if you want to use ChatGPT to generate images, you can use the steps right here. First, you can open your ChatGPT and then here you can write the prompt or you can directly click on this create image options. Here you can just use the prompt that you want. So for example, you want to create an image of my path of for my bakery storefront logo of a futuristic Roman Colosseum or something. So I'm going to just create an images for my future home with a big backyard. For example, you can hit on enter and then just wait. Okay, so they will ask you again in here about something. What style is the house? For example, style is a farmhouse in a rural area and garden in the backyard. You can just answer the questions in here. The color is white mix with brick. Okay, and let's just hit on enter first and see the result. You can see it will generating the images. Okay, so I regenerating the image again using a new prompt in here, and let's see the result. Okay, so this is the result of my future home with this prompts right here. You can see here is your envisioned farmhouse style home in a rural setting featuring white with brick accents and a stunning backyard garden. Let me know if you like any adjustments. So if you don't like with this result, you can always modify your prompt or ask them to generate it again. And so that's all from me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next videos. Bye!